Hi guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a jam session on Spotify so you can listen to music together with your friends. With the jam section, you can create a radio where you and your friends can listen to songs or playlists together. And this is quite easy to set up. On your Spotify app, you can tap on create in this section and then you see jam at the bottom. Tap on jam and this will create a shareable link. To share the link, you can tap on share link and you'll be able to copy the link as well as share using other apps. Underneath this, you'll see auto invite people nearby. So I already have this feature turned on and that's why it's finding people nearby. And this will connect to people on your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth access enabled will be invited. You can also share your jam QR code, which when you tap on this, you'll be able to enlarge the QR code. Anyone who scans the QR code will be able to join your jam on Spotify. Once a jam has been created, you'll be able to manage your jam, and this automatically adds any song you are listening. Now you can also start a jam when you are playing a song. You want to tap on the icon here, and you see start a jam. You can tap on the three dot at the top right corner, and you see start a jam. You can also start a jam with a Spotify AI DJ. Simply tap in the search section and search for AI DJ. Tap on DJ. Anytime you tap on this will launch the AI DJ that will take control of your songs. And once it starts, you can tap on the three dots in this section and start a jam. When you search for a song, you can tap on the three dot on the song and you see start a jam. Now you can also go to a playlist. If you want to start the jam with a playlist, tap on the three dots in this section and you want to scroll till you see start a jam. This will start the jam and add all the music in your playlist to add more songs to your jam. For example, you can go to any of your playlists and then tap on the three dots in this section. Scroll down and you'll see the option to add to queue. If it's a song, you want to tap on the three dots and then tap on add to queue. This will add the song to your queue on your jam. So simply tap here and it will open the jam. In your jam, you can also add song when you tap on add song in this section. And you'll be able to see group recommendation based on people who have joined the jam. So if you have people who have joined the jam, you see songs they listen to and you'll be able to select from their recommendations. You can also check songs you've liked in this section. Simply tap on the plus icon on the side and this will add it to your jam playlist. Now you tap on back. Here you'll be able to see people who are in the jam. You can tap on them and you'll be able to tap on the invite option to invite more. You can also turn off the auto invite people nearby here. You can exit a jam if you no longer want to be in the jam. And when you tap on guest settings, you'll be able to choose if you want the guest to change the queue order, play, pause, and skip tracks. If you do not want them to do that, you can uncheck in this section. Once you're done, you can go back. And if you want to manage a queue, you can drag in this section to arrange their order. You can clear if you want to remove songs you previously added. You can tap on shuffle in this section to shuffle the playlist. Repeat if you want the playlist to repeat. Repeat one song continuously or not to repeat at all. And then you can also set a sleep timer. To end the jam, you want to tap on end in this section and this will terminate your jam. Now on your PC, they work the same way. So if you're using the Spotify app, you can jam the same way as in the mobile. If you want to start a jam with a playlist, you can simply come to this section, expand in the library section here, and you find all your playlists. Click on the playlist you want to jam. And when you click on the three dots in this section, you see the option to start a jam. To start a jam on any song, find any song you want. This will be on the search page. Click on the three dots on the song, and you see the option to start a jam. To start a jam with the AI DJ, you can click on the DJ in this section, and this will start with the AI DJ. Click on the three dots in this section, and you see the option to start a jam. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.